All right, guys, we're out here shooting with my brother today, taking pictures of his Toyota Tundra. Is there a piece coming off here? Did you hit something?
Yeah.
What'd you hit?
That was like a skid steer bucket.
Okay.
I was trying to turn around.
That's fair. I've got the A7 R4 with the Sigma 24-70 2.8 and a variable ND polarizer combo. Back up almost at an angle if you can get straight with me. It's a gorgeous truck. No, you're good. I'm gonna see if I can get like above it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're gonna have to wait till I get back down. Man, this was stupid. Why'd I come up here? I don't like heights. Could you turn around and like pull into the corner? I only needed the one you know what? Yeah, he's turning around again. I was gonna go for a horizontal, but he and I were talking in the car. The majority of the media we consume is all vertical format, just because we're all on our phones all the time. Granted, I know there are exceptions like YouTube. Here's what I want to get. Since you said the tires or the wheels are your favorite part. See, I bring all these other lenses and I only ever use the one. Well, I love the 24-70 because I get majority of what I need focal wise. We're actually going to switch to the 105 right now. Start to get some of those detail shots. Also, another one of my favorite, I brought three of my favorite lenses. I got the 24-70, the 70-200, and the 105. Like this. Gotta get the cool stuff that nobody ever really gets to see on it. You got drawers. Oh shit! Let me see if I can angle this where we can't see your license plate.
It's really cool too. So, my fog lights don't work.
He goes, this is really cool. My shit don't work. Here we go. I want to get a nice picture of the truck with the radio in there.
Oh wait.
Do you want to go down, turn around, and come back?
Yeah, whatever you want to do, yeah.
Let me just switch back to the 24-70. I see him coming back now. See, this is where the 70-200 would be really nice, but when he gets closer, it's just not going to do anything for me. Just moved down the road a little bit more, came down to the boat launch. Gonna try to get a few more photos. Nice landscape of the truck with the water in the back. Well, why don't you back into the boat launch first and I'll get those pictures? All things considered, he's pretty centered.
I can back up more. I'll stick a tire in the water.
You want to get a little bit further in the water? Get one more at the back of the truck. Oh, I'm with you. Truthfully, I prefer a day where there's even a little bit of rain.